Hello everyone. Let's quickly revise tense. So basically, tense is a part of sentence that describe time. There are primarily three types of tense: present, past and future. Like what is happening, what happened and what will happen. And each tense has four forms of verb: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So let's discuss simple present tense. As name suggests, it describes what is happening right now. She sings a song. They play cricket. Now, present continuous tense. She is singing a song. They are playing cricket. Now, present perfect tense. She has sung a song. They have played cricket. Now, present perfect continuous tense. She has been singing a song for 2 hours. They have been playing cricket since morning. So now let's discuss past tense. As the name suggests, it describes what has happened in past. For example, she sang a song. They played cricket. Now, past continuous tense. She was singing a song. They were playing cricket. Now, past perfect tense. She had sung a song. They had played cricket. Now, past perfect continuous tense. She had been singing a song for 2 hours. They had been playing cricket since morning. Now, let's discuss future tense. As the name suggests, it describes what will happen in future. Simple future tense. She will sing a song. They will sing a song. Now, future continuous tense. She will be singing a song. They will be playing cricket. Now, future perfect tense. She will have sung a song. They will have played a cricket. Now, future perfect continuous tense. She will have been singing a song for 2 hours. They will have been playing cricket since morning. So this was the revision of the tense. If you want to study the tense in detail, click on here. If you like my video, hit the like button. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.